Welcome back to the American Dream. Today, we are in Stuart, Florida, in an area that's known as the Manatee Pocket. I am Kim Braunstein, your host for today, and Captain Aaron Braunstein, my co-host, and I are going to take you on a journey through this delightful slice of paradise that we just happen to call home.
The Manatee Pocket, also known as the Pocket by locals, is one of the best fishing and boating areas on Florida's East Coast. The St. Lucie Inlet provides direct access to the Atlantic Ocean, and the St. Lucie River and the Indian River Lagoon provide incredible activity for everything fishing. Record-setting sailfish are caught here, so much that this town has been dubbed the sailfish capital of the world. Furthermore, there's numerous marinas that offer storage, wet or dry, for boats of any size.
You really don't have to be a boater or an angler, though, to enjoy the lifestyle here in the Manatee Pocket. We have so many beautiful nature parks like the one that I'm standing in right now, which offers access to the Intracoastal Waterway. You can launch your kayak or your stand-up paddleboard, or you can take a stroll on a beautiful nature trail. And we have no shortage of beautiful real estate in our Manatee Pocket communities. We have everything from condominiums to townhomes to single-family homes that are on the water with private boat docks. In fact, our next stop is to meet up with a custom home builder who's building custom townhomes right here in the Manatee Pocket. Let's go. So Ryan.
Very nice to meet you, Kim.
Thank you so much for granting the interview. We appreciate
Anytime.
it.
This is
Thank
fantastic.
you. So this is just an amazing creation that we're standing in, but as I understand, you've been a custom home builder for 20 years here in South Florida.
We have been in business since 2004. We're going into our 21st year as Watlee Construction. We build from Boca Raton to Martin County. We slowly worked our way across to the West Coast, and we do Naples and Venus Springs now, and that's kind of our focus, is to kind of stay in those areas.
Amazing.
So it's been a journey, but it's been fun.
What made you choose to build what we're standing in here, and what made you specifically choose to build on the dirt that we're standing on?
So I've lived in Rocky Point here for several years. My kids have all grown up around here, and we've seen this property since probably 2006. It used to be duplexes that were damaged during the hurricanes in '04. So this kind of sat tattered, I would say is a good word for it, for many years. It became kind of a parking lot for the local boat trailers and things.
Wow.
And so we just always kind of had an idea where if we could ever make something work in here and get to something that, you know, matched the numbers that we needed it to, and we would move forward with it.
It's really wonderful how what you've designed here speaks to the Manatee Pocket waterfront lifestyle. So tell us a little bit, if you would, about the decisions that you made to make that all possible.
Yeah, I mean, the Manatee Isle lifestyle is up and coming. You know, it used to be pretty much just a prominent fishing town. So we've seen it grow, and it's become more of a coastal town. You know, we've had a lot of people coming from the Northeast and the Midwest and kind of gracing us with their presence in our town, and it's expanded and grown, and some people love that, and some people have concerns about it. But really, the focus has always been marine, you know, in the Port Salerno area. So boating, fishing, commercial fishing is a big staple of Port Salerno, and it always has been. We still have the commercial docks just right down the street here, and you know, a lot of people go by there and they get to see the fish come in and how it's weighed and how it's put on ice and sent to the, you know, the inlet fisheries and those people. And so it's always been a passion of mine to kind of have a coastal type project, you know, here in Port Salerno, Rocky Point areas.
Yes, you definitely brought it to life here with this project. I think one of the most wonderful things about these units are that you have how many on the water side of the community facing the water?
So we have a total of 17 units here.
Okay.
We have one single family house, and then we have 8 on the water side and 9 on the street side.
And we're gonna get to climb upstairs and take a look at that beautiful water view from a unit on the water side,
that's
right?
the money shot right there.
All right, well, what do you say? Let's have at it.
I'm ready to go if you
All
are.
right, let's go. Well, Ryan, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me. It was a wonderful time.
Thank you. I think you've created an impeccable design that is just so appropriate for the lifestyle of our community. I want to thank you for bringing your talent here to the Manatee Pocket.
We greatly appreciate you guys coming to enjoy our stuff.
Awesome. Thank you. With so much to see here and so much to do here, with our beautiful water, coastal woods, and gorgeous real estate, the Manatee Pocket is the place to be.
So come see us and explore this little slice of paradise, and let's go fishing.
That's it for now. We'll see you next time on The American Dream.